Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Lawful Introvert. So today we'll be discussing on the topic domicile under private international law. So for that, let's look into how the word domicile is derived. The concept of domicile in common law is derived from the Roman law. The term domicilium is derived from domum colere, that means to foster or inhabit the home. The word domicile refers to a person's permanent home. According to Tomlin's Law Dictionary, domicile is a place where a man has his home. According to Lord Cranworth in Vicar vs. Hume, in this case it is stated that by domicile we can mean home, means the permanent home. If you do not understand your permanent home, I am afraid that no illustration drawn from foreign writers or foreign language will help you to it. The main elements of domicile are permanent home and residence and intention to live in a place permanently. This was stated in Rumsey vs. Liverpool Royal Infirmary case. There are certain principles that are governing the law of domicile, that are: no person can be without a domicile. An existing domicile remains until it is proved that a new domicile is acquired by the person. A person has freedom to change domicile, but he has no freedom to be without a domicile. And also, no person can simultaneously have two domicile. It is because domicile of a person connects him with a system of law. If a person allows to have more than two domiciles simultaneously, it will frustrate that system. Domicile denotes connection with a territorial system of law. In case of foreign element, the question of domicile of a person will be determined only by applying English law by English court. Next, let's move on to the kinds of domicile. There are three kinds of domicile: domicile of origin, domicile of choice, and domicile of dependence. So let's discuss each kind of domicile one by one. Moving on to the first kind, that is domicile of origin. So it is a domicile that is acquired by birth. So the domicile of the father is communicated to the child. So in case of legitimate child, if the child born after the death of father, then domicile of mother is communicated with the child. In case of illegitimate child, mother's domicile is communicated. In case of founded child, domicile of the country where the child was found is communicated. That's all about the domicile of origin. Moving on to domicile of choice. So domicile of choice means a person voluntarily acquires this domicile. There are three conditions to acquire domicile of choice. The first one is attain majority and must be of sound mind. The next one is should reside in that country, and the next one have the intention to reside in that country permanently. The last one is domicile of dependence. So in case of married women, mentally immure, minors, infants, lunatics, idiots, and physically and mentally disordered persons come within the meaning of dependence. So dependents cannot acquire a domicile of their own, so they take the domicile of the person on whom they depend. So that's all about the topic domicile under private international law. I hope that you had understood the topic clearly and thoroughly. For more videos related to law, motivation, and reflections from an introvert, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you all for watching.